Hello viewers, welcome to this new NPTEL course on effective learning for professional development. This course is going to be floated from February onwards in this semester. So, as the name implies, this course is very much learner centric. So, in this course the learners would be able to understand what they are looking for, what they are passionate about, what are the choices available to them, and what are their preferences accordingly, and how to match all these things with the job competencies and the career options available. So, they can also discover their salient needs, aptitudes, their interest, and they can also explore the pathways where the institutions can help them, their academic institutions, parent organizations, they can help them in achieving their career aspirations. So, similarly, they would be able to identify the learning culture, existing learning culture, the scope and opportunities available in the campus, develop the learning communities among themselves through networking, connecting with other fellow beings, and how their commitment, how they are committed to the continuous improvement both in the academic field and the professional field. So, it can in this course the students would be able to utilize the opportunities to learn from the different sources, like from the experts' opinion, from the mentors' suggestions, from the peer group interactions, from the professional networks that they develop, and cross functional teams, working in the cross functional teams in terms of through projects, internships, assignments, and the various types of community experiences. So, through this course content, the students, the learners would be empowered to know their own learning styles, they would be able to reflect on their strengths and weaknesses, they will be able to identify their personal and professional goals, their job competencies, even their weaknesses as well, and how to overcome those weaknesses through new skill development programs, and then strategically make effort to achieve their career goals or the professional aspirations. Now, through these automatically, when they go through this learning sessions, interaction, etc., in this course, slowly and steadily they will be more confident about their career decisions. They would be more more prompt, more volunteer, they will be more smart enough to take the ownership of their learning, own learning experiences, own learning responsibilities for their future planning, career planning, and all life learning engagement. So, they will get a very clear career pathway. So, they can navigate also available, flexible, and diverse options available that suit their preferences, circumstances, as well as that can help them in enhancing their skills and competencies as per the requirement of 21st century jobs. So, in this, and moreover in this course we will also be discussing some of the psychosocial factors and the development of some positive character strengths, like developing emotional intelligence, life skills, how to deal with the stress, how to be resilient, self efficacy, problem solving abilities, all these things which they need to face when they need to develop, that will help them in facing the emerging challenges of the global workplaces, and as well as many geopolitical and social challenges also in the present context. So, this course can help every learner to understand and practice how they learn, and how they learn, how do they learn effectively, what is their learning style, how do they analyze, how they use their cognition and metacognition, how do they develop the habits of mind to learn different subjects and different skills, how can they transform themselves to succeed in this global job market, all kinds of competencies, social, emotional, educational, professional, as well as sustainability competencies also they can learn, they will be able to adopt, learn, and use it. So, in this way the primary focus of this course is to empower the learners, empower the students. So, they would be empowered with all types of employability skills, decision making power, job competencies, the sustainable habits, leadership traits, professional skills for moving in a very successful and self fulfilling career. So, it is primarily focus is on how to prepare an effective learner, how to guide them, how to help them out in their career decision making, and how to develop their professional skills and competencies, so that they will be more engaged in lifelong learning, continuous learning, and and they can draw their career pathways, and they can pursue their future goals also. So I hope you will, all of you will learn many things from this, from the interaction, from the discussions. So it will be very much helpful for you in your career pathways, in your building the skills and competencies, so that our our manpower can be, our young students, learners, our youth can be very more competent and will be more suited for the global jobs. So our learners are very much talented, they have the potential, everything, but this is just a just a guidance, just a kind of road map to help you out. I hope and I wish you all the best for being the part of this course. Thank you very much.